Hi guys, welcome to my bedroom. I am suffering from Aunt Flo today. Aunt Flo has hit me hard this month, so I figured why not just make a video about it, right? So today's video is going to be some tips for how to survive your period. I have 5 different products or things that I want to show you guys that really help me get through a really ugly menstrual cycle. My period varies. Sometimes I don't get any cramps. Sometimes I get the worst cramps in the world. Some months I don't even realize I have a period. I forget about it and then I'm like, oh shit, I gotta change my tampon. And then other months it's constantly there and just won't let me forget about it for the entire week or whatever, however long I have it, usually 3 to 5 days. But yeah, this month's kind of bad. It's not the worst ever, but it's pretty rough. So I just wanted to share with you guys some things that I use to help me get through it, because we all get it. Well, all of us women get it. So I figured this could help you. Just some little things that cheer me up and get me through it, make me feel a little bit better. Also, if I look a little haggard today, it's because I feel a little haggard. I look the way I feel today. Didn't brush my hair, just kind of threw it up in a bun. I have makeup on, so that's a start. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, the first thing I want to talk about is my favorite thing in the world, and it is this huge body pillow that you see in front of me. It definitely resembles a pregnancy pillow. No, I'm not pregnant. Obviously, I have my period. That doesn't happen when you're with child. But this is just a big old body pillow. If you get really severe back aches when you're on your cycle, like I do, this really helps when you're sleeping or when you want to lounge, but it still gives you support in your back. You can do it any which way. So a lot of times when I'm on my period and I still have to do work on the computer, I'll prop myself up in this. I can fold it to be a little kind of like a U, and then sit in it like this. And then I can cross it over my front and use it as a little desk and still be supported and comfy in bed or on the couch or wherever. And honestly, this thing is a godsend. Meech got me this for Christmas. And I love him so much for it because it is just amazing. Also, if you're a side sleeper and your back hurts or your hips hurt while you're sleeping, this really comes in handy. But yeah, I love this thing, and especially during that time of the month. It is my best friend. I'm gonna figure out what company Meech got this from and link it down below for you guys, because I highly recommend it. It's kind of a bitch to store, especially when you live in a New York City apartment like we do. But honestly, I'll make room for it anywhere because it's my favorite thing in the world. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about is probably a no-brainer, but I feel I didn't have one of these until I don't know, I was 22 or 23, and I was how have I lived without this? And it's a heating pad. You can get these at any pharmacy, Rite Aid, CVS. They sell them. They're I want to say $15 to $20, and it's basically just there's this sleeve over this little plasticky thing, and then it plugs in. And it has this little remote, and it basically just heats up. You can put this on your back if you have backaches. You can put it in front if you have cramps. Honestly, you could use this if you could just use this if you're really cold. I know it's really, really cold in New York, and sometimes I'll just lay on the couch with this and just be cozy and toasty. But it really, really helps. For the most part, I get more back pain than I do cramps when I have my period. So this really comes in handy. I'll just sit up and put it behind me, whether I'm in a chair or on the couch or in bed or wherever, and it really, really helps. It's just really nice and soothing, and it does really help for cramps. If you don't want to go out and buy one of these, you can actually just take a tube sock and put rice in it, plain uncooked rice in the tube sock, and put it in the microwave, and that's a DIY heating pad. But I love this because you can literally keep it on for hours, and it's that consistent heat. It's just so good. You really need one of these. Just go to your pharmacy and pick it up. They all have them, so it's not hard to find at all. And honestly, for $15, $20, this is a great investment because you're gonna use it every month for the rest of your life. Okay, and since we're still talking about cramps and how to soothe that, I want to talk about my next product. This is actually in my monthly favorites this month. This is the CBD for Life Lavender Rub, and this does have CBD in it, which is which is a chemical that's in marijuana. It isn't the psychoactive chemical, so it's not THC, it's not going to get you high at all, but it does have really great benefits for pain and inflammation and just like overall soothing. And I read that lavender oil, like lavender essential oil, is actually really, really great for menstrual cramps. So if you rub a little bit of this on your, like on your, what is that area called? Like your abdomen area, like where you get cramps, or on your back if you're having a backache. I know my neck and my shoulders hurt a lot today, so I'll have Meech rub this on my shoulders and my neck later, probably everywhere, because oh my god, I'm in so much pain. But it actually works really well. I actually use this every night. I rub it on my temples and the back of my neck, and it really helps me sleep throughout the night. But I think this is a really great option for somebody that has menstrual cramps that just needs like some kind of soothing, like rub it out, especially for back pain. And it's really cool that lavender oil is, or that lavender essential oil is actually like proven to help with menstrual cramps, like aromatherapy wise, and also just like the like essential oil of lavender is really great for menstrual cramps. So this little combo is a winner for sure. And then also when you're on your period, it is really great to eat foods high in potassium. So whenever I have really bad cramps, I always like to grab a banana and eat a banana. I love bananas, so it doesn't really bother me at all. I enjoy eating them, but it will really help with your cramps. I'm not sure how, like it's not like taking a Tylenol and they instantly go away, but it will like help if you're high in potassium to kind of like ease that symptom. So yeah, get your bananas when you know the time of the month is coming around. And then the last thing I want to talk about is kind of just a little treat. It definitely does help when you're in pain to just take a nice hot bath. But this is the bubble box from Sky Organics. They actually sent me this. They send me this every month, but I haven't talked about it on my channel yet. This is their February box, and it's basically a monthly subscription box that sends you 4 different bath products. So in here there's a shower steamer, 2 bath bombs, and then a little bubble thing, or maybe, so this I think is like a little bubble cupcake, and then there's a bath bomb. This thing is a shower steamer, and then I'm not sure what this, I think this is going to be a bath bomb as well. But they're all themed. This is the February box, so it's all like Valentine's Day themed, so everything in here is like pink or purple. But they actually are really, really great bath bombs. They feel amazing when you take a bath with them. So it is really nice when you're on your period to just relax, maybe get in the tub with like a glass of wine. It's actually not recommended to like have alcohol when you're on your period, but who the hell is listening to that rule? But I do highly recommend this because I feel like I don't take many baths. I take like a normal amount of baths just to enjoy myself, like maybe once a week or so. So having like 4 different bath products every month sent to me is actually like the perfect amount. I'm not going to use any more than 4, and I actually do really enjoy like that little treat. And it's only, I think it's like $15 a month. It's something super inexpensive, especially if you're like going to Lush and buying a bunch of bath bombs there. Like this is so much cheaper, and they are really, really great. On the box it says all of them are sulfate free, no additives, all organic ingredients, and then free of phthalates, formaldehyde. They're vegan and they're gluten-free. Yeah, I really like them. They're 100% natural. I'm not sponsored to say this. They did send this to me, but I did want to mention it to you guys because I feel like, especially when you're on your period, that's like the perfect time to just relax in the tub and throw in a bath bomb or a bubble bar and just like relax and zen out in the tub and let your cramps just melt away. So I did want to mention them to you guys, and this box smells, oh my god, so incredible. So I'm going to leave all of their info down below as well. That's actually going to be it for this video. I just thought I would bring you guys a little something special. I know I didn't have a video up on Tuesday, and it was probably because I was PMSing so hard that I filmed a whole video and it was just crap. So I was like, honestly, I'd rather wait to put out like a better video than put up this crap that I'm not proud of at all. So I'm sorry for no video on Tuesday, but I hope you guys will forgive me. I rarely ever do that to you, so thank you. I hope that your period feels better this month and every month after that. We can all get through it together. I love you guys so much. Remember that I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 9 p.m. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Saturday.